Hello everyone, I am Tom Sawyer, or the Naughty Tom. I am the most naughtiest boy ever. In today's lesson, you will see me trying to skip school by making up pains and aches. I also scare my cousins Sid and Mary, but my Aunt Polly sees what a mischievous boy I am. Hope you all enjoy my adventures. Hello students, hope everyone is safe at home. Our next lesson is a small story called On Monday Morning, written by Mark Twain. In today's lesson, we will be learning about the author, the character in the story, the setting of the story, and the story's plot itself. So, let's begin. On Monday Morning, written by Mark Twain, is a small chapter from his full length children's novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Mark Twain is a North American writer, poet, and humorist. He is famously known for creating memorable characters of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. Some of his other famous children's literature include Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Life on Mississippi, The Celebrated Jumping Frog, and the very famous Prince and the Pauper. Although The Adventures of Tom Sawyer has numerous characters, On Monday Morning features four main characters only: Tom Sawyer, Aunt Polly, Sid, and Mary. Setting of a story means where it takes place, the time of its happening, and the exact or the general locality. This helps in understanding the story better. So when and where does On Monday Morning take place? It takes place in a small rural area called St. Petersburg, Missouri, USA. It is a fictional town, which means it is an imaginary place and it does not exist. This story was written in the early 1800s, and On Monday Morning specifically takes place in Aunt Polly's household. Tom lives with Aunt Polly as he is an orphan and he does not have parents. Now it's story time. Let's divide the story into three scenes for my narration: as scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. The story begins like the title, On Monday Morning. Now students, just keep it in mind that almost all of us have thought about taking off on Mondays. We all have the feeling that the weekend went too fast and Monday was here too soon. Tom feels the same when he wakes up on Monday morning. And he decides to make up some illness to skip school. He checks for fever or any traces of stomach pain, but there seems to be none. But he realizes that one of his tooth is loose and decides to act on it. He calls for his cousin Sid. and says that he's about to die of a toothache. Tom manages to convince Sid and Mary. They get scared that he might actually die and they panic. Cousin Sid rushes to bring Aunt Polly to Tom. When Sid relays to Aunt Polly about Tom's impending death, Aunt Polly is too afraid for a minute. She approaches Tom, who lies crying out and sweating in the bed. Tom says that he has a stomach pain and a tooth killing him. Aunt Polly immediately realizes what all of this is and tells him that his tooth will be taken out with a loop. At which point Tom realizes that it would be painful and feels foolish. He then begins to get ready for school. So students, this story is something all of us, including children and adults, would have tried at some point and happens in reality. Before we finish, have you skipped school like Tom? Hope you all have not. Read through pages 18 to 21 to experience this funny story for yourself. Thank you. Stay safe. Also, students, do not forget that learning every day in these difficult times is as important as learning on a school going day. Do not stop educating yourself for any reason. Educating yourself is the passport for the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Thank you once again. Stay safe and be indoors.